So this question says a circle in the XY plane has its center at 1617 and has a radius of 7K. So I could think of that through a plug-in picture standpoint, even a Desmos standpoint here, where I'd end up having K as a slider. But I'm going to keep reading and see what happens. Which equation represents this circle? So in order for me to use Desmos with this information, I would need to already know the circle formula. In order for me to plug picture in, I could do that, but still I would need the formula in order to really figure out which one of these equations was best suited to that picture. So what am I going to do? I'm going to just treat this like a simplified question. So the question is short, like most simplified questions. It doesn't contain an equation like most simplified questions do, but it pretty much describes an equation. There's also some knowledge here. In fact, a lot of knowledge. So what do you need to know? You need to know that the formula for the equation for a circle, I should say, is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where h comma k is the center of the circle. That's really all you need to know for this question because everything is provided. So we know that the center is 1617, which means h is equal to 16 and k is equal to 17. So using that information, I'm going to rewrite my equation, or at least start to rewrite it as x minus 16 squared plus y minus 17 squared. And then the question tells us that the radius, r, right, r is equal to 7k. Our equation here for the circle wants r squared, so I can square both sides. So r squared is the same as 7k all squared. And then 7k squared is equal to 7 squared, which is 49, k squared, which means that this should equal 49k squared. So there is the equation that I expect my answer to have. Let's look at my answer choices. So choice A looks almost good. It's just missing the 49k squared at the end, so A is gone. Choice B kind of looks good. Yes, choice B, let me make sure, minus, plus, minus, and yep, B looks great. In fact, I'm pretty sure that choice B is the right answer. And then choice C just has a 7k right here, so that's incorrect. And choice D has 7k squared instead of 49k squared, so choice D is incorrect. So choice B is the correct answer to this question.